we had done some good deeds, or we had done some wrong fault deeds. We had wronged somebody. So in such cases, to clarify your karmas only, you take birth to clarify your karma. So, if you are living very happily, that means in your previous birth you have done some good deeds. You had helped others. So you are eating the fruit of that. In your previous birth, if you had wronged somebody, you were jealous, you were envy, then you picked up a lot of arguments. You did not donate anything. So kind of all those things if you have done, then you will be having your life according to it. So Shuddha Brahma, God doesn't has any FIR charge sheets. So he is very pure. He doesn't has any sins. He doesn't has any karma. He is Shuddha Brahma. That is why the first line itself we are going to talk about the person who is free from all sorts of world's negativity. He is Shuddha. Shuddha Brahma Parat Pararam Kalatmaka Parameshwara Ram. He is the one who knows all the three kalas. Kalam is past tense, present tense, and future tense. According to grammar, if you are saying. He knows all the things. He knows what we were in the previous Janma. He knows what we did in our earlier ages, childhood, what we will be doing today, what we'll be doing tomorrow, what we'll be doing in the future. All those things he knows. So he is the one who is beyond karmas and beyond kalam, beyond the time. Now, if you see the old Mahabharata, no, it starts with somebody who is. Now, have you seen it in Hindi during the Corona time and all? Mahabharata used to get telecasted. So there used to be one rishi who used to sit and he used to say, "I am karma, I am kalam, I am." It used to start like that, no? So he is the one who is above all the karmas and all the kalas, all the time. He is beyond time. He has no time. So Shuddha Brahma Parat Pararam Kalatmaka Parameshwaranam Seshatalpa Sukha Nidritaram. So where he is sleeping, we are going to talk about the person who is sleeping on the Seshanaga. Seshatalpa. He is sleeping on the Seshanaga. Sukha Nidritaram. He is sleeping very peacefully. Is it possible to sleep